Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
We're doing it again. It's time, girly pops. NYX sent me the period undies, and I am gonna give this a run. Sexy one, sporty one, and regular high-waisted one. Time to do what we do best. Okay. These are the leak-proof high-rise, perfect for those who like tucking their tummy in. Through and through, I'm an undie over the belly button kind of girl. They absorb up to 3 teaspoons of blood, pee, or sweat, anything liquid, even tears. Now I know what to use during my midnight crisis fetal position session. It's constructed with a quick dry cassette. The body is made of nylon and lycra extra life. You can also find consistency of cotton and spandex. Why do you think it's so ultra comfy? Ooh, so stretchy. A little nervous, it's not placed right. I should have known, but these were made for your lighter days. You'll soon see what happens. Or instructed as backup for those light bladder leaks. I'm a little nervous only because I feel like today might be a heavy day. These may be moderate absorbency, but is that gonna stop us from testing these period undies? I don't think so. Ingenious idea for discharge. Oh my love. If you're like me, I used to smack on a panty liner day in and out until I realized I was messing with my pH balance and causing all sorts of disturbance to the womanhood herself. So this is the solution. What the fuck? Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate the wear on my body. Holy smoke town, the fact that I have purple skin, because it's literally skin. You will not regret feeling anew. Call me Bertha because I feel like a baby's bottom. Genius, genius. Listen to me, Linda. Genius. This in particular one is for nighttime. I'm now regretting my decisions. Maybe I should have worn this all day. I think I should change. Decisions. Tell you what, we're gonna give these ones a run. We have a total of 5 undies to choose from. Clearly I'm wearing one. Midday we'll change into these. Things are gonna get heavier and heavier. Let's get dressed. NYX also sent me one of their innovative bras. Oh my god. I mean, this is the fit. I'm feeling pretty sturdy with my undies. They're really high-waisted. I'm obsessed with. She says sports mode. It's fun every day I get to pick which New Balance shoes I want to wear. Hopping on my walking pad and feel the clots. Yes, I said clots. You know how it be when you're walking for a hot sec and you feel a little chunky toothpaste squeeze out. Testing these for the girlies who walk 5 to 10k steps a day. Dude, I just confirmed that May 22nd is the most uncommon rarest day. And so if you're born on May 22nd, basically very lucky. I was born on May 22nd. I'm so lucky. Girl, I'm a lucky girl. I'm a lucky girl. To be honest, I feel like this may be a little thin. Kind of nervous because it's not sitting really that well. The padding's not that thick. So I've been walking for about 3 hours now. So we've been juicing. Oh yeah. Oh no. Uh-oh. No. It leaked. It's my fault. I'm not wearing the correct one. We should be wearing that big padded one right now because I'm on a heavy rotation. It's not a big leak. It's to the side. Bleeding to the side. Literally. It bled to the side. Okay, I'm wearing these bigger padded overnights looking ones. Even though there's that mishap, I would like to announce that these boxer looking undies feel so good on your skin. This is way more comfortable. It goes all the way up here. Machine wash in cold water is totally fine. Make sure you're using mild detergent and do not bleach your period undies. The Kool-Aid comes out and is perfectly new. Airbend the heck out of them by laying it flat to rest, so no dryer. Okay. I feel it bad. I need to go change or like pee it out. Whoa, I was like, what's that? You know when you're on your heavy flow and you're sitting, you can just feel it? It's that much right now. I'm gonna go check on myself. Listen, Linda, it was the next thing I did the dirty. I didn't change out of the big pad panties. Don't judge me, okay? I literally had no time yesterday to change, and I know that sounds like a bad excuse, but it's true. Went to bed in my big panty, and I'm still in it. You honestly have all the right to think that I'm the most gross person in this world. Anyway, live, laugh, love. I'm sneaking in my morning workout as if I didn't have a mental breakdown last night and slept askew because my Twitter got hacked. I know where you live. I see your location. I expected the pad to shift around, and it did a bit, especially the tips of the pad. Nonetheless, fun fact of the day, these undies were kind of also made for working out because not only do they absorb sweat, they're seamless to wear under leggings. Approved. I'm about to take a shower. So I wanted to see how it's gonna look when I take it off. Not that you need to. Here's a little purple nurple moment. So much love around the fupa, stretch, and elastic. It just like sticks to my stomach. Eyes on me, sister. Oh yeah, this dream is flowing. Okay. Maybe it's my body composition. Okay, that's sweat, okay? I'm sorry, TMI. You signed up for this video. That's sweat on my booty from working out. The pad is shorter in the front, as you can see. Pretty up high at the back. I like the extra length up in front. Maybe a little bit more coverage in the front. But then again, maybe it's my body composition. Is Miss China that high up? I have nothing to compare to. Guess we'll never know. Thanks for lasting me almost 24 hours. Kinda nasty. I feel fine. These are not stinky at all. Maybe my body health just got better. Ew, so me. Real girl talk. The next few days were mid to late rotations. I sat in this chair for 4 hours while Taylor touched up my hair. I did not feel a thing. It almost felt like I was butt naked in my sweatpants. To say the least, these panties are pretty true to what they claim to be. We stand for an authentic queen. My hair looks so good. Quick update on my booty. I'm actually wearing one of the lighter underwear, and today is like my moderate day. I stood up a couple times to go to the sink. I didn't feel any leakage or any like clotty things. So far so good. The underwear is holding up. Can you tell I'm on my period? My last day or two, we decided to venture north into the wild with a sexy lacy back end. I put spandex on top just in case a wildcat snatches my sweats off or something. Before we become barbarians, personalize a rug with AM Rug Boy on Etsy, link below. Okay, underwear has been feeling great. I did indeed wear one of the moderate panties all day yesterday. I changed at night and it held up pretty well. Na, 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 na. I'm gonna make a music video, please don't. No. Does this just impress me because it's not worth it? What would Victor do? What would Victor do?
Just take a step.
We stopped by Dick's, and here's to me flexing my little growing booty in the mirror. It may be nothing to you, but it's a whole lot of booty for me. No leaks, no freaks. These were actually kind of nice and airy from the lacing, not gonna lie. I didn't have a sweaty butt crack either, so that's a plus. I've kind of just been bouncing around the undies and seeing which one works. Most of these are just moderate to average absorption. Overall, I'm realizing when you're on your mid to light days, this is when you want to start pulling these undies out. In terms of heavy duty, I do prefer different ones. I will give it to NYX though. They have such comfy undies. Feels like nothing on my body. And these aren't stinky. Again, TMI, maybe it was me. I didn't have any surprise fishy smells knocking me out. Very nice and odor controlling. One thing I noticed when I was streaking, it'll just leave scratch marks on the padding part itself, and it just kind of dried on to the pad. Again, it was completely dry. There was no like liquidation to it. Scratch marks, meow. So yeah, overall, I prefer NYX leak-proof undies for my period days 3 to 5. Those first 2 heavy days, I want to wear padding undies that are a bit thicker for my own mental sake. I highly recommend these for everyday wear though. I think they're perfect if you experience a lot of discharge discomfort or if you're a sweaty Betty. You can barely notice the pattern itself with the carbon cotton fiber. It's skin-like material. That's all for this cycle. Bye, bloody besties. Hope this helped.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday